In this brief segment of the PowerPoint tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to present a presentation. There are a lot of times where if you're new to presentations, you design a slideshow and then you get up in front of a meeting and you start presenting it, and you start presenting it like this. You're just going through the slides by having the preview on the left, and then you're just going from one slide to the other. However, and this might be very simple and very basic, but it happens, and therefore as part of the training for PowerPoint, I'm demonstrating how to present a slideshow. To present this slideshow, this presentation, we go here under Slideshow and then click on From Beginning. And then you can either use the space bar on the keyboard to advance through the slides, and to go to the previous slide, you can press the back arrow on the keyboard, or to advance the slides, you press the mouse button or a clicker on your clicker device or your mouse if you're presenting with it that way. Or if you have a touch screen computer, you can simply tap on the screen and it will advance to the next slide. Now, another way to present your PowerPoint is by clicking here on the bottom under Slideshow, and this will start the presentation from the current location. See, if I'm here on slide number 3, now to start from here, you can simply press Slideshow and it will start presenting it from there. Now, to escape, to get out of the presentation mode, we press Escape, and that will bring us back to the preview of the slides here. Sometimes you may not have the clicker, or may not find the option right away. You can also press the F5 key on the keyboard, and that will start your presentation as well. If you like this video, please press like, subscribe, and then click on the bell icon.